Hi everyone. 3 divided by 5 goes first. So what is 3 divided by 5? I don't know. So let's write that in a fraction form to make the math fun and easy. 3 over 5. Next, let's bring these numbers down, but in fraction form. So I'll write 3 over 1, which equals 3 does not change to 3, minus 3 over 5 divided by 3 over 1, which equals 3 does not change to 3. Next, looking at PEMDAS, PEMDAS is telling me that division goes first. So we're going to divide 3 over 5 divided by 3 over 1. And I will use this method called keep, change, flip. So I'll keep the first part, the first fraction, so I'll write it here, 3 over 5. Next, we change the division to multiplication. And lastly, we flip the fraction, the second fraction. So the 1 goes on top and then the 3 goes below the fraction bar. So it'll be written like this, 1 over 3. Next, we multiply across. So 3 times 1 equals 3 over 5 times 3 equals 15. So we have 3 over 15. Next, I'll erase this part that we solved and write the 3 over 15. Next, we're going to use the butterfly method to help us solve this part of the math problem. So notice the denominators are different. So we're going to use that method, the butterfly method or the bow tie method. So we'll draw 2 wings, 2 antennas, and a body. So here's the first wing. 3 times 15, and we're multiplying what's inside the wing. So what is 3 times 15? So we'll do 15 times 3. 5 times 3 is 15. And 3 times 1 is 3 plus 1 is 4. So it's 45. And don't leave yet because we need to figure out the decimal answer to this math problem and the mixed number answer to this math problem. So it could be 3 over 1 half or 3 halves. So, but we don't know. Let's see what we get as the answer at the end. So there are going to be 3 different answers. Next, we write the, next you draw the antenna and then you write the 45 above the antenna. Next, we draw the other wing and the other antenna. So you multiply 1 times 3. Again, you multiply inside the wing. You're not subtracting. So 1 times 3 is 3. And then lastly, the body, 1 times 15 is 15. So your denominator is 15. And 45 minus 3 is 42. And this cannot be broken down further, but there's another step you could have done. We could have broke this 3 over 15 further. So let's do that. We could have done that. So let's just erase this. And yeah, let's just erase all this and write 3 over 1, right? 3 over 1 minus, and let's break this fraction, this proper fraction further. So we can just divide it like this. So 3 divided by 3 is 1 over 15 divided by 3, which is 5. So we have 1 over 5, and then write 1 over 5. And that makes the numbers more simple when they're smaller. So let's do this butterfly method again. So 3 times 5 is 15, so that's the wing, and here's the antenna, so 15. Next, 1 times 1 is 1, easy peasy. Next, 1 times 5 is 5, and so our denominator is 5, and then we subtract 15 minus 1, which is 14. Look at that. Next, let's go ahead and use the long division to figure out the decimal answer and the mixed number answer to this math problem. So I'll write the 14 over 5, and I'll write the mixed number answer here and then the decimal answer here. And here's the long division symbol. So the 14 goes inside the long division symbol, that is called the dividend. And the 5 goes outside the long division symbol, that is called the divisor. So how many times can 5 fit into 14? 2 times, right? Yeah, 2 times. So I'll write 2 there. Then we multiply 2 times 5 is 10. and then we subtract 14 minus 10, which equals 4. And then how many times can 5 fit into 4? You cannot. So we add a decimal after the 14 and after the 2. We write a 0 here, bring it down, give it to the 4. Now the 4 becomes 40. Now how many times can 5 fit into 40? 8 times, right? 8 times 5 is 40, and 40 minus 40 is 0. So your answer in a decimal form is 2.8. And your mixed number answer is writing this number, which is the whole number, and then the remainder, which is the 4, that goes above the fraction bar, and then the 5 goes below the fraction bar. And there you go. You have 3 different answers. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel to support. And if you subscribe, thank you so much for subscribing and your support. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.